Hello friends, welcome to Next Generation of Coders. So friend, now we talk about methods which we use in number. Include function ABS. ABS function is same like as mod in mathematics. So now we write print ABS minus 16 and then we run and we get the output 16. And now we write print ABS minus 44 and the output come is 44. We write only 44 and then also the output comes same because it work as a mod. ABS change negative to positive but not positive to negative. Stay positive as a positive. When concept of ABS is finished here, now we talk about maxima and we write any number of argument print bracket maxima 12 comma 165 comma 150 1545 comma 6256 comma 54 and now we leave and the output come is 1256 which is the largest number in this series. Max pick out the highest number in any series. Finally, if we want the min of the same series, we change min and we run this. The output come is 12. And here the concept of number finished. And now we meet in the next tutorial in which we talk about data type string. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question to us then ask in the comment box. As soon as possible I will reply you.